Hi everyone, I am George. Welcome to Tech to Tinker YouTube channel, where technology is explored and shared. And today I'm going to show you my tinkering with the stepper motor. This is the stepper motor I'm tinkering today. And I am using an Arduino Uno board. So it's down here. And also a keypad shield with 16:2 LCD. And for the stepper motor driver, I am using L298 motor driver board. So let's get started. To continue, pressing the up button increases the degrees of rotation for the stepper motor. Pressing the down button decreases the degrees of rotation for the stepper. Left button selects counterclockwise, while right button makes the rotation of the stepper motor clockwise, while the select button serves as command to execute the rotation. So let's say now this one is clockwise direction and our degrees is 180 degrees. So pressing the select button will rotate the stepper motor clockwise. So selecting left button, pressing the left button will make it counterclockwise. Pressing the select button will rotate it counterclockwise by 180s. And down button decreases the angle. Up button increases. Let's set it to 360. Counterclockwise 360s. Selecting clockwise by 360. So now I am showing you my desktop to show you the serial debug data. So basically you can command the stepper motor to rotate using this Control-C, paste. So this basically A, that there is a command to rotate, 1 for the clockwise, and the last parameter is degrees. So pressing the enter, sending this to our serial, will rotate the stepper motor. So try again. We make it as counterclockwise. And you can also see that this one is clockwise 360. So we rotate it by 180. So let's send, press enter. So press again. You can send even and small degrees, let's say 45. Clockwise. So that's all. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please consider supporting my YouTube channel by subscribing. You may also leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box. That's all, folks. Thank you and have a good day. Bye. Happy tinkering.